guys, we're here in Malacca, Cendol Kampung Hulu, the most popular kind of sweet and dessert here in Malacca. It's popular, as you can see, everyone is like having it now every day. There are literally thousands of people coming here and enjoying the best ice cream, the best dessert Malacca has. So
Okay, let's go try it out because I'm hungry now. This way.
I want to see the options first because I have no idea what. So we have Cendol regular, mango, corn, cocktail, coconut, longan, kabong, kapay pulut, shaved ice, durian, I don't know what.
We get one for two or one for each?
I think we can get one for.
Can you share, Gigi, or?
Yeah, I want to share.
Okay.
5, 7, 6. Please
Okay.
come to the counter.
Let's go to the.
Which one do you want?
We will decide on when we get there.
So this is
In the meantime, the line today is not that big.
we came yesterday. It was almost all the way till the back.
Okay, now we're lucky.
Yes, I think we're lucky now.
Okay, now we have to wait. Dum 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 dum. So Gigi, what do you want?
I want the Cendol, which is the name of this ice cream.
Obviously, I mean the.
But I don't know which one because it's.
I think the
There's so many
Cendol kabong, I would say, or the tapai pululululu. Yes, the tapai pululululu sounds more interesting in my opinion.
5,
I think that might be
8,
durian or
3. Please come to the counter.
The durian is a different one.
I know.
Okay. Okay, let's get the pulut thing.
Okay. Or the katiblab shave ice. Katira, she said best choice. Or Cendol mango, the original one.
Mango. Yes, I could go for that.
Or
we can ask the lady which is the most popular one.
Okay, yeah.
Maybe she can.
See, the best choice is out of stock. Oh.
Oh, just look at those. Oh, they're
Yeah, Cendol
5,
regular
8,
is the best
4.
one.
Please come to the
best
counter.
seller.
Or Cendol langolongan.
Longan?
I know.
Get a
Ask the
longan?
lady.
Okay. See how we look? They look good. But I don't want something with corn. Because corn for me is not very.
Come on, you can put corn inside. Try new things.
I did. I'm trying to. I'm excited. Hi.
Hello.
5, 8, 6. Please come to the counter.
Okay, longan, chico kana, or like the mango one.
Okay, wait. First, you want heavy or takeaway?
Hey, outside.
We eat here and we want one because we want to share. And I think we're gonna get a mango one.
Yeah.
Wanna do it? Okay. Mango.
Okay, sure, mango.
Only one, yeah?
Yes.
Yes.
9 ringgit.
Only 9 ringgit for an ice cream.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can you recall your number, yeah?
Sure.
Hey.
589.
Okay.
Nice people.
Nice people. Now we have to wait again. Dum 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 dum.
Oh wow, this one has a lot of corn.
5, 8, 8. Please come to the counter.
Yum.
5, 589. Please come to the counter.
Oh, this one is
And
ours.
number one.
Oh, wow.
I take 2 spoons
Okay, Michael, very good.
and I will take the ice cream. Let's go.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, now let's find. So this, guys, is a very...
I already did something nice. I reserved us a table.
Oh, wow. You did? Oh my God, Michael.
I left this thing here to reserve the table.
Oh, wow. Does this work here?
I know, I learned it in Singapore. Apparently it does, because nobody said that.
Okay. Then you did a very good job.
Yes. So, let's see what all the fuss is about with all this ice cream.
Cendol Kampung Bulu.
Let's see what the fuss is all about, because I heard a lot about this ice cream, and I don't know, to me ice creams are ice creams. I don't know how special it is. Let's see, I will judge if it's special or not. So we have an ice cream. Let me take a spoonful of proper ice cream with all the thingamajigs and badingamajigs that it has to offer. So it's a spoonful. Properly, Gigi?
Very properly, man.
Okay,
It's good.
let's see. Cold. Obviously it's ice cream, but actually good. I love these beans. I don't know about you guys, but I love these beans in the ice cream. Amazing. And I don't know what this green squiggly wiggly wiggly thingamajig is, but it's good. The beans are sweet. The ice cream is good. It's regular ice cream. And the mango somehow gives it a oomph. And there's this kind of, I don't know, brown paste kind of thing on it. Oh! This is shaved ice.
Shaved ice? Which one?
Yes, at the bottom you have shaved ice with some kind of syrupy thing.
Okay.
So,
If I'm looking at your face, it kind of
brain
hurts.
freeze.
Does
No,
it
it's brain
hurt?
freeze.
Brain
Ah.
freeze.
Yes. I mean, the ice is the one that is super, 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 super cold. The ice cream on top is a scoop of normal creamy ice cream, and the bottom is shaved ice, which I never thought was a thing until we came here in Singapore. I don't know why people make it a thing, but in this combination together, it's good. So yeah, I don't know, Gigi. You try it out. You are more of a sweet tooth than I am. I prefer salty and savory food and spicy food. You prefer the sweet one. So let's see how you think about it. What do you think about it?
Let me see. Like everybody told us don't get 2 portions because it's quite big and a lot of people like share it. So it's recommended for you not to.
The way I know you, Gigi, I had to convince you to share it.
No, that's not true.
Yes, when it comes, so I can give you a hint in from Gigi's life. When it comes to chocolate and ice cream, Gigi doesn't like sharing. So look at her face now.
Yeah, no, it's okay. Let's try it out. We have prolonged too much. I see the pieces of shaved ice, and it's actually coconut ice, right?
I think so. Happy?
Very happy.
Is it the best ice cream you had?
It tastes like caramel sauce on top of.
Try the beans, because normally you don't like
I
the
don't
beans.
like the beans.
Let's see if you like it here, because we tried it in Singapore. We tried some green ice cream.
Nope,
Come on!
not for me.
These are the best. This is the best part of the ice cream. The beans. It makes the flavor go oomph.
Oh my goodness. Okay, this thing tastes like caramel. Definitely. Did you try the mango?
I did.
And how was it?
Like a mango. The good kind.
The good one. I never tried proper mango. We will definitely try the fruit itself. With the ice cream is perfect. Oh, see how much ice I have?
Oh yeah, you can mix it. Why didn't I think about that to mix it?
Should I?
Yeah, sure.
Mix it?
Mixing it, more flavor.
See the big piece of ice here?
Yes.
It's huge.
And there's steam coming out of it, or I don't know, cold steam.
Cold steam. Cold.
Cold.
Vapors.
Yes. Give me some.
Want some?
Yes.
It is actually damn good. I mean,
Cold. But good. And beans. Very good.
I don't know how you like those beans, man. It has a syrup of something. This part here tastes like caramel. This tastes like beans, a little bit sweet. And you have the fruit and the ice cream itself, which is melting and going inside all of those things. But this is not like simple ice. It's coconut ice. So it's shaved coconut ice somehow.
Ice. Yeah. It's nice. It's ice cream. It's a little bit different than ice cream. Kind of reminds me of Faluda from Pakistan in a way. The Faluda had some kind of
Name is Cendol.
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 Hi.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's very good. Our first time.
Yes, 9 ringgit for this is pretty much affordable.
Durian only 80 ringgit. Put the durians.
The durian?
We didn't try it with the durian.
Price
Ah.
18. Okay, so if you want the durian, it's more expensive. Okay, makes sense because durian is the king of the fruit, which we didn't get the chance to try it yet, so we still have to wait for that to try it properly. I think when we arrive in KL, we were gonna try it.
Where are you from, brother? From Malacca? Kere? Klingo. Okay, so everybody comes to Malacca to have the ice cream. The Cendol. Thank you.
Everybody comes here. And now I think the queue is a little bit smaller.
Bye, thank you. Bye-bye.
What name is channel?
Dodo Explorers. Dodo Explorers. Yes,
Dodo.
Dodo Explorers.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Take care.
So yeah, now the queue is a little bit smaller, not that big, which is okay. But normally in the evenings it gets huge. A lot of people gather here around to get the food, and the food and the ice cream is itself very good. And I give one thing to them: they move very, very fast. The minute you place the order, they start scrambling like busy bees, and they have this kind of system where you have a machine which yells the number that your order is. So they are pretty efficient and they are hiring. So if you want to get a job here, you can come and you can apply and you can be an ice cream man. I don't know, me personally, I always wanted to sell ice cream to kids as a job sometime. So who knows, maybe I could get hired for a position, an internship position for a couple of days. Let's see if people would buy ice cream from me. Buy ice cream from the weird Romanian foreigner selling them. So yeah, that's definitely a possibility
my
sometime in the
God,
future. I don't know. Let's see. I will ask the nice people over there if they agree with that.
Oh my goodness. The best. This is so good. I love ice cream.
But can you find all this one only in Malacca or somewhere else as well?
This is the best. So I don't know. You can find Cendol. I think we also saw in Johor Bahru.
Okay.
We tried it once, but we didn't maybe make a video out of it. But here everyone told us like this is like the best one in town.
Yeah,
It's
and
old and it has a lot of history.
in Johor we had it like in a coconut, literally inside of a coconut, and I like that one because they had also the pulp of the coconut inside the coconut, so you could shave it off with a spoon and eat it together, and it was okay. But on that one they put corn inside, so I don't know, that's a little bit strange for me. I mean, I had ice cream before, but never had it with corn. But nevertheless, it's an experience, so it's a new thing.
Do you know how old is this shop? How old is this shop? 4 years. But this is the best cendol in Malacca. The best. That's cool. Only 4 years. That's really cool. Everybody knows this place. It's famous. Oh, and they're hiring as well. Okay. Yes. Interesting. Oh, that looks good. I'm from Romania. Yes. Are you from Malacca? No? Kuala Lumpur. And you know about this place? Viral? Oh, okay. How did this place become viral? Videos or no?
Instagram.
On Instagram? Okay. That's good to know. I didn't know. I just knew that Malacca most best cendol is here, so I have to come here. I was like, why is it so famous? Yeah, no one knows. Interesting. Also first time. Oh, it's very good. I just finished one there. It's very good. Yeah, very, very tasty. Is cendol better in Kuala Lumpur? You have good cendol. Okay, that's good. I want to go there in a few days, so I'm super excited for that. Okay.
How long have you been here?
In Malaysia, I think for 1 week. Yes. Around 1 week.
You alone?
No, my husband is there.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. Enjoy your cendol. Even people from Kuala Lumpur are coming here because this place is viral for its cendol. That's really, really amazing. So happy we got to try it now. Thank you for watching.
Yes. Thank you for watching. The ice cream is finished. The bucket is empty. We are ready and we are up for a new adventure. So until we meet again, this has been Dodo Explorers signing off from Malacca, from the Cendol Kampung Hulu. See you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.